Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can do the dragostea dinte TikTok filter. So for that, and this app is called Avatarify. This is the app. Okay, so I'll show you this app in App Store. Go to App Store and this is the app. So download this app. I have already installed, so let me open. Okay, so when you open this app, you will see some demo pictures and you can browse picture from your camera roll also. So I have this picture from my camera roll. I select the picture. Now I have to choose a GIF. This is the GIF, the first one on the right side with Brad Pitt. Select this. Okay, let's select best. Wait for it. Okay, so there is sound also, but I can't play the sound here because it might be a copyright strike. So anyway, this is the effect. You have to save the video. Okay, now let's go to TikTok. This is the upload button here in TikTok. Tap here. Okay, and you will see the video you just made with Avatarify. Select the video, hit next. Okay, now hit next. Okay, if you want to add some music or add some sticker text, you can do it here. Then hit next and you are ready to share it to TikTok. So that's it guys. Likewise, you can get this dragostea dinte filter on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.